Hello there, welcome grade 8. This is Mr. Ahmad. I will be here with you today. Inshallah, today we're going to have the first lesson of Unit 7. So today we are going to speak about technology. Before we start, my friends, I just want to ask you one question. How often do you use your phone? How often do you use your laptop, your tablet, and so on? So of course, we use them all the time. So no one can deny that we depend on technology all the time. So today, inshallah, we're gonna talk about technology and we're gonna talk about some inventions. All right, let's see here. But first, my friends, what is an invention? Like if I ask you to tell me what is inventions. Okay, so inventions is like something that has never made before. It is like there for the first time. So this is the invention, something new. Today, inshallah, in our lesson, we're gonna have some inventions. We're gonna speak about them. So let's see here the first one. Look at this, my friends. Of course, this is headphones. And most of us have headphones. We use them all the time. So what's new about them? The new thing about this invention that you can wear these headphones and when it hears a new language, it will translate it into your own language. Can you imagine that? Imagine you are speaking with a Japanese guy and he says, Konnichiwa. So these headphones will translate this word into your own language, English or Arabic. So Konnichiwa, hello, how are you? So this is actually an amazing invention. So invention, as we said, is something that was not made before and it is like there for the first time. Okay. Another thing we're going to speak about is our phones. We all have our phones and we use them all the time. And when we are using our phones, we are using the apps. So what are the app or the applications? Applications are the programs that we use for different purposes, like for listening to music, like taking photos, like watching movies, and so on. These are the applications. So, what do we have here in this invention? Look at this jacket. Actually, this jacket is not just like any normal jacket. Why? Because actually, you can control it with an app. Can you imagine that? Like you're gonna use your phone to control this jacket. How? Imagine it's so cold outside. If you live in a place which is so cold, when you wear this jacket and you press a button in the phone or you tab the application, this application will control the jacket. It will make you feel warm. So actually, this is a great invention for people who live in cold places. All right, great. Okay, let's look here at these two vehicles. We know them. First one on the right, this is the helicopter, and it flies as we know. And the second one is the motorbike. We know them both. So what is the invention that we have here? It is a mix of both. So we use the helicopter and the motorbike at the same time. So what will you get, my friends, if you mix them both? Look at this. This is what you get. This is the invention that we have. So it is like half motorbike and half helicopter. And you get this device. And it can push you into the air. So what is the meaning of push you into the air? It will move you if you as you can see here. So can you guys think how can we use this? For what purpose can we use this new invention? Could be for many things. All right. Now we are going to listen to 3 friends. They are going to speak about these inventions. They are going to tell us their opinions about the invention. All right, let's listen to our first friend, Hatem. He is going to tell us his opinion about the helicopter and the motorbike invention. Okay, let's listen.
Hatim. Wow, that looks so cool. I'm not sure it's very useful though. It won't be able to fly very high, will it?
So, Hatim thinks that this invention is so cool, like amazing or awesome, but actually, will it fly so high? This is what Hatim thinks about this invention. Okay, let's move to our next friend, Tariq. He is going to tell us about the jacket invention. Okay, let's listen to his opinion.
Tariq.
I think this is a good idea for people in cold places. It won't be very useful for me, though. Maybe they will make one to help people feel cooler. That would be good here in the summer.
What do you think, my friends? Do you agree with Tariq here? He thinks that it would be like amazing for people who live in cold places. But what about people who live in like hot places like Egypt, for example? So I think they're gonna need a jacket, but which make them feel cooler, not warmer, of course. So I think I agree with my friend here. All right. The last friend that we have, Manel, she's going to tell us her opinion also about the headphones invention. So let's listen to her.
Manal.
I think lots of people will want to buy one of these. They'll be very useful for traveling. It won't help people to speak other languages though, will it? It's only good for listening.
So this is actually a good opinion. So it will only help, the headphones will help you to, if you are traveling to a new country and you want to communicate, it will help you for if you want to listen to people. But what about if you want to speak? Yeah, I think it won't be like helpful here that much. So these are the inventions. And I want you guys to tell me which invention do you like the most and which one would you like to try? Would you like to try the jacket, the headphones, or the half helicopter, half motorbike? All right. Please, guys, remember these definitions. This is what we covered today. So the first one is app, and this is like the program you use on the computer or the mobile phone. And we have the motorbike. This is the vehicle. It has two wheels. And also the helicopter, it's also a form of transport, but it flies in the air. We have the headphones, and we use them to listen to music, of course. And the last two words we have translate. It means it will change the words into another language or a different language. And the last word is speed, all right? And this is how fast something moves. Please remember these definitions. So this is what we have for today. Thank you so much. Inshallah, see you in the next video. Goodbye.